Excited to introduce you to my newest worm bin. I'll go ahead and show you how I made this. I was able to take some pictures of it the other day. First, I've picked up some mushroom substrate. I scooped some of that, leaves, a little bit of snow for the moisture, and started to mix that up. Then I also added some shredded cardboard and mixed everything up. And then this is what I was left with. So in here has that mushroom substrate. It has some shredded leaves. It has the cardboard. I don't know if you can see, there's a little bit of extra moisture, so I'm just going to mix everything up real quick, and if it looks like it's still kind of heavy on the moisture, I'll probably add some more cardboard. Yeah, see all those with that mushroom substrate, lots of fungi. Yep, I'm gonna go. Oh, and I also added eggshells, coffee grounds to this. I can smell the coffee grounds as I'm incorporating everything. Okay, yep, let me grab some more cardboard and then I'll show you the worms. I'm also just going to add some regular cardboard. So here's the worms. They did come in. The package was kind of dented up pretty good. So we'll see how the worms are doing. Some instructions. If you'd like to read it, go ahead and pause it. And here they are, the European night crawlers. Okay, cool. I'll put the egg carton in here. So, I don't know if I just cut this off here, if I can pull the, put the string in there too. Huh. Now, as soon as I cut that end, it unraveled right away. I'll leave the string in there. We'll see what happens. Hopefully it all breaks down. I would assume it's some type of cotton. So they did say they pack it with dry peat moss. Okay, I just unfolded that just to make sure I didn't see any worms. Oh, there we go. Look at that, there's some beauties. Okay, awesome. One big thing they were saying, with it being dry, this actually dehydrates the worms. So I want to add just a little bit of moisture to this peat moss here too. So hopefully these worms can start absorbing some of that moisture that they lost in the transit. Yeah, see how Oh, maybe that's a little bit of their castings. There was a lump in there. Didn't look. Yeah, see, there's another one. Okay, so I'm just going to kind of leave these guys in here now. Hopefully they can start to go into the new fresh bedding. I'm not adding any food to this right now. I want to give these guys a few days to kind of get acclimated to the bed, and then maybe 3-4 days I will go ahead and give them a small feeding just to kind of see how they're doing and kind of check to see how dispersed in the bin they are. I showed you this bin when I first got it. This has the 1 pound of euros in it. I've been going ahead and checking in on it. They've been very well behaved. I've actually kept them in the dark. I did leave this bag here is what the worms came in, just like that. So if there was any small worms still in or on the bag, they were able to get off. This is going to be my first time actually doing a deep dive into the bin to bring you guys along. So let's see how these guys are looking. Oh, I got, because I did put a little bit of that mushroom compost in here too. With the material, I did notice, like this is a big chunk of wood or something. There were some larger pieces of the peat moss. Ooh, I got some dry spots, so I'm just gonna have to watch that. Yeah, look at those worms, very nice. Very, very happy with how they look. As I said, I ordered these from Mimi's Worms. Yeah, look at them. So you can see they puffed up nice. So there should be enough moisture in here for them. I will add some more moisture because I don't have a bubble wrap cover yet. So I want to definitely try to keep these guys from drying out. And then as of right now, I have a little bit of everything in here. I have the peat moss. I have some leaves. I have a little bit of that mushroom compost. I have shredded cardboard and brown bags. I actually shredded a bunch and added it to that corner. This was a handle off a paper bag, so okay, definitely happy with that. You can see this area here still needs some more moisture. Today's feeding, for how many worms are in here, I don't think it's going to be a whole lot, but it will be a semi-decent size feeding for them. Nice piece of watermelon, piece of summer squash, and I'm just going to go with that much pulp. I want to put some of this bedding back on top because some of the food is not all the way thawed out. To the feeding area, I'm going to add some grit for them. Get back in there. So yeah, I'm definitely disrupting their mojo right now. So that's going to be it for today for them. I guess I'll just tuck this piece of wood down. Yeah, so very pleased. I went ahead, like I said, I got these from Mimi's Worms. They were running a special. They did great. The box was kind of banged up when it arrived, but that's no fault of hers. That's basically our mail people. Yeah, this is the most active I've seen the worms. So, but like I said, I did just kind of twist them all up, so it's kind of to be expected. I haven't been leaving the light on, but based on how they're acting right now, I'm going to kind of leave the light on, so hopefully they mellow back out and kind of tuck themselves back into the bedding. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to drop them down in the comments. Thanks for coming along, checking out this video. Everybody have a great day.